Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you have watched the previous video which I have shared on my channel. That was my first video, and as I promised you, I will come back with another video. Not only a video, I will come with a playlist. So it is my second video for you, and today we are going to know about everything about Google Ads. What is Google Ads? So I know many of you who are just starting who don't know much about Google Ads. So as I said, we will start from basics. So from scratch, any project. I mean, there are types of ads like PPC ads, PPC campaign, display campaign, video campaign. So we will cover everything here in this channel. So stick to with us. Now let's know what is Google Ads. Well, we are going to learn about Google Ads, but first thing we have to know what is Google Ads, right? So I have created the document for you, and if you want I will share it with you, these documents. And here in Google Docs as well as in Google Sheets, I will document everything that is needed for Google Ads. So right now, say what is Google Ads. Google Ads is online advertising platform, right? We know that. So through Google Ads you can create online ads to reach people exactly when they are interested in products and service that you offer. What does that mean? Suppose you have a business, you have an e-commerce business, right? Right. Now, say online show shopping. Okay. See, there are so many stores in front of you, right? Okay. Now, now there is no sponsor written in it, so there is no Google. They don't running any ads. So now say right web hosting here, right now. Here you will see Namecheap. Well, we everyone know Namecheap is a big web hosting company, but still they are running an ad to be on the top page. On the Google top page, they are showing in the Google top page. Here it is written. See how you would know that they are running an ad. You will know when you will see it. You see there is written sponsor. Before that, when any company was running it was showing just ads. Now Google has improved. Google has new feature. Now Google shows sponsored written over their domain. So by that you will know that they are running an ads. So suppose, so why they running ads? Suppose we have searched written web hosting, right? Now you are seeing Namecheap, the first domain that coming in front of your eyes is Namecheap. So most of the time you will click on that link, and what it will do? It will take you to their landing page. So if there is 100, maybe if 2, 3, even 10 convert there, so they're spending, suppose if they are spending 100, they are getting 500 back through Google Ads. So how much they profit from these ads? What is the revenue? Net revenue. They are spending 1000 and they are getting back 5000. The 400 is their net revenue. So obviously through Google Ads, they are generating revenue for their business. Now see, there is a now see a host.ag. That's in the second place of this Google page, right? So we'll talk about it later. But why? Now there is a question: why Namecheap is showing on the top and host.ag is showing in the second place? Is because there is auction process in backend, and we'll talk about it later. But as I promised you, we'll starting from scratch, from basic to advanced. So now see Hostinger, I mean this very reputed company. And Hostinger is a third place. See, Google Cloud, they also running their own it. Okay. Okay. And now see, there is another domain, Hostinger. But this Hostinger is not running an ad for this landing page, right? Now you can say now still they are showing in the front page. How they are showing in the front page? And now comes to the point. Now I have written everything here. Why the ad appear on the top page? The paid. There are two kinds of traffic. You have to know that first. Ads can appear on the top or bottom of the Google search result page, next to or under an ads level. How do the ad ranks? Ad ranks based on quality score as well as the auction process. Maximum CPC or average CPC. We'll show about it. You will show about that. We'll talk about that later. But first of all, you have to know there are two types of traffic. One is paid traffic, which is Facebook ads, Google ads, Pinterest ads, Instagram ads. Those type of traffic we can call it paid traffic. And there is another traffic that website generate, which is organic traffic. Organic this website how website generate organic traffic? They generate organic traffic through SEO. I am sure you have heard this name before. What SEO stands for? SEO stands for search engine optimization. Now to back to the point. Here you will see there is also a Namecheap. Namecheap web hosting. That's another landing page. They are running the ads on that particular landing page. And that's why there is written sponsor on top of this domain name. But here you will see what is web hosting beginner listener. But there is no sponsor written above their domain. Why? Because it's showing on the top page also, but it's showing on the top page because they have done the SEO, search engine optimization. Just different topic. We will also talk about it later. First, we will talk about the Google Ads, right? So it's showing there because they have also does SEO on this particular landing page. That's why it's also showing on the top page. But always remember that the paid campaign will always be top of the page. Well, it's because we are paying for it. We want more traffic. We want to generate more revenue. That's why we are paying it. And SEO is free. I mean, not free. I mean, it's free methodically, but like there are big websites there. They don't do SEO for them only. They hire some freelancers or some digital marketers to do the SEO. So eventually they have to pay them for doing the SEO, and it's organic traffic. It will take up to 6 to 8 months to generate the traffic, to bring the traffic. It's slow process. But Google Ads, Google Ads, Google Ads is a paid traffic which brings sales leads, website traffic, by paying Google. So obviously we are running Google Ads. So when we run a paid campaign, we have to pay, and whom we pay? We pay Google. They generate revenue through Google Ads. Now it's because we are paying it, we are generating more traffic quicker than the organic traffic, which is SEO. Well, now there comes the traffic where your ads will appear. If you want to reach new customer online, then advertising with Google Ads might be right for you. When you advertise with Google Ads, you have investing in your business. Make sure you understand how Google Ads work and how this investment can help you grow your business all within your budget. And if you are running an e-commerce business, eh, you have specified some budget for marketing goals. So what is your marketing goals? Suppose if you are running a shoe shop, you want more sales, you want more customer, just don't want to more customer to visit and don't buy shoe. You don't want to run it for that. You want to attract the customer to buy your product. So you want to reach your targeted customer. So you have to take different format of ads and feature to customize your ads to your different business goals, like adding a clickable call button to ads to you get more phone calls, or using video ads to showcase your brand. Some common marketing goals that could work for you: take action on your website, visit your store, call your business, install your app. And for that, and how PPC ads work. There are types of ads in Google. There are almost 8 types of Google Ads format in a Google Ad account: text ads, responsive ads, image ads, display ads, app, app promotion ads, instant video ads, calls only ads, and shopping ads. So for PPC ads, will you will have to know that the keyword research. Keyword research. Keyword research is the heart of PPC campaign. Listen carefully what I am saying. Keyword research is the heart of PPC campaign. You have to do your keyword research perfectly to run a search campaign, to run a PPC ads. So if you rank your ad through Google Ads with the right relevant keywords to your landing page, that's where you can only reach your targeted customer, like who want to buy your product. You don't want to reach customer who are just searching there, who are exploring the website but don't want to buy. You want to reach the customer who want to buy. You want to connect with customer no matter where they are, on their computers, tablets, laptop, or mobile phones, even in apps. So Google also give us the option to measure your ads performance. You can track your ads effectiveness and easily make changes to improve result. Like we can call the A/B testing, or you can create another experiment campaign in a campaign and allocate it like percentage of budget to that campaign. And you for Google Ads, what is the, I mean, you are paying Google Ads and you want to return back to something, right? So you just don't want to pay and don't get anything, right? And for that, you have to run a campaign with relevant keywords, to add extension, to add side links, and you want to be specific about your targeted audience. When you advertise on website, mobile apps that show Google Ads, and YouTube, you can get even more specific by choosing the age of the people you want to reach, the types of site they visit, and the area of interest. Suppose you selected keywords to help target your ads to people searching for related terms. You can also choose to show your ads to certain times of the day, specify a location and language. So why you? So there are different format, as I already said you. I have written it here also. Yes, yes, yes. There are suppose why you will, when you will use for PPC campaign, which ad format do you use? So for PPC campaign, we will use search ads. And for that, the heart of PPC campaign is keyword. And why do you use PPC campaign? You use PPC campaign or three types: for awareness, for consideration, and for sales. And we don't use PPC campaign for consideration or awareness. Most of the time we use PPC campaign for sales or lead generation for your business. So if you chose your right keywords, related keywords with the website that you are trying to bring audience, then your ad will get more benefit. Your ad will get more client that searching the product you are selling. Suppose here you will see, suppose they are named running an ad web hosting. So if you search there, right, web hosting, right, web hosting, and first thing what you will see Namecheap running an ad web hosting. You will click there, and here suppose control F, you will just click control F on your keyboard and just write here web hosting. Sorry, web hosting, right? See, this is the landing page they are running there at, and I have just wrote here web hosting, and see, in their landing page, this is the keyword. The keyword is there in their landing page. So is it relevant or not? Obviously relevant, because as a customer I am looking for web hosting. I want to buy web hosting, and that's why in Google search console, Google search term, I wrote web hosting, and the first page they show is Namecheap, and I click their link, and they bring me the landing page where the web hosting, the particular keyword web hosting is there. So what is that? It will improve their quality, ads quality. It will also improve their ad rank, because why? Because their landing page and the ad they are running, the keyword they selected are relevant. Because if I search for web hosting and the landing page they are running an ad, and I don't find anything relevant, if I find anything irrelevant there, I will bounce back for the website, and I will visit another website they are running an ad, and I will buy from there. So that is the way to run a Google ads. And for if you can run Google ads for your search ads, for your display ads, as well as for your awareness campaign. We'll talk about it later also. We can run ads in across platforms, connect with customer no matter where they are. If they are searching for YouTube, if they are on Bing, if they are on Google search term, if they are on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, everywhere you can run your ad, and you can show the clients. Suppose there is a website, suppose not only that, suppose you just read that best winter product. See, there are lots of winter products, but here nobody is running an ad also. Okay, let's just write, let's just write Target. Well, Target is a big company, that's why they are not running any ads. Okay, okay, let's just say Target is not running an ad. But when you write web hosting, there are, you will see one, two, three, four. You will see three or four companies are running a sponsored Google Ads PPC campaign. So what is Google Ads? The topic for today's video is what is Google Ads. I hope I was able to tell you, I was able to make you understand what is Google Ads. Google Ads not only brings sales for you. You suppose if you have launched a new product, supposedly nobody will know about your product. And for that, what you have to do? You want to reach your product. You want people first. If you want to sell your product, when nobody know your product, first of all you have to create an awareness, right? First of all, what you have to create? First of all, suppose if you have just launched a new product. Suppose you have launched a new product, but you don't run any awareness campaign. So you haven't run any awareness campaign. You just launched a new product. You just want to sell. You just want to sell the product to the customer. Direct B2C. That can happen. The ads you will run, yes, there might be sales there, but it won't generate much revenue for you. Why? Because there is a funnel in every business. I hope you have heard about the Facebook ads funnel, Google ads funnel. What is the first of the funnel? What is the top of the funnel? Is top of the funnel is awareness. Awareness. So let's just say top of the funnel. Now what is the middle of the funnel? First of all, you have to create a campaign for awareness. Yeah, what is awareness campaign? Awareness campaign. What is the objective of awareness campaign? You want to show your product to the audience. You want to get the most impression, most view. Awareness campaign can be display ads, in-feed ads, YouTube video ads, as well as you can create awareness if you have the website or if you have the particular page for that new product you have just launched. So for that product you can run an awareness campaign. Is the top of the funnel, right? What is the middle of the funnel? Middle of the funnel is consideration campaign. So when you run a consideration campaign, what does it mean? So you have already run an awareness campaign. People already know about it. People already know about your product. Right now you want to bring them to your website. You want to make sure they know pro and cons about your product. So you can show them the review benefits of your new product that you have just launched. You can also, when you run a consideration campaign, you can also show them and the ingredients that you have used and what's the benefit of it, how they can get the most from this product, as well as, I mean, you just want them to consider your product. They already know about your product. You already run a campaign, awareness campaign. So they are aware about your product. But now you want to retarget them to consider it, to consider your product. They are still not in a mood to buy your product. You are showing them ad about the benefit, the review, the quality of the product. So you want them to buy your product. They are not at this stage to buy your product. You want them to consider your product. If they go to Walmart, they go to many super shops, when they see the product, oh, they can say, oh, I have already seen that somewhere. I have seen the ad. So I have seen the review also. So I can consider to buy this product, right? So how they know about it? Because you have already run awareness campaign. And after that you run consideration campaign where you integrate them with with your product. Now the main stage. Now the okay, I don't read there. It's middle of the funnel, right? Okay. Now what is the final and last of the funnel? What is the last of the funnel? Well, obviously, you have already know if you learn from the first about this topic I'm talking about. The last of the funnel is sales. Now we want to run sales campaign. Now what do you want? last of the funnel. Now in the last of the funnel, we will run a sales campaign because we have already run awareness campaign, consideration campaign. Now they know about the product we have just launched. They know about the new product we have launched. Now what we want them to do? Now we want to the the people we have targeted, the customer we have targeted, who are aware about our product, who have shown our consideration, who have shown the review of our product, who have shown suppose who have shown the middle of the funnel campaign. Let's say just that. Now we want them to buy our product. That's why we now running an sales campaign, which is the last of the funnel. So is the funnel is the process. First, what we have done, we have created an awareness campaign. We have made them aware. Then we have made them consider our product where they are still not in a mood to buy. Right now, we are running a sales campaign, which is last of the funnel. Now, what do you want? Now we want them to buy our product. So we want them to influence to buy. We want them to buy our product. We want to generate new people because in this two campaign, they are not in a mood to buy. We have run this campaign. We have mm, I mean we have invested our money in these two ads and we haven't got any return. But we have made them aware about our product. Now we want to get return. We want to get ROI. ROI. What is the meaning of ROI? We'll talk about it later. But just say return on invest. Return on investment. Right? Now we want to get something in return of our investment. How we can get it? So suppose for the sales campaign, we are running a PPC ads. So for PPC ads, we have to select right keywords for your ads. So if you select the right keywords for our ads, it will target the right people. Suppose here I have written web hosting and the first ad I have shown is web hosting, which is from Namecheap. They are selling this product. They're selling this product, and here you will see these two web hosting. This is headline and this is ad copy. But we together, this is description actually, not ad copy, sorry. But together the headline and the description together with both two together we call it ad copy. Now you have to write attractive ad copy. Also you have to put the keywords on the ad copy so that whenever what this will do, this will make your ad more relevant. See here it is written web hosting. Now if I go and see the description they have written, is there any web hosting there? You can see it. Yes, I hope you have seen it. Suppose it's already bold there. Here is hosting your website. So web hosting, I mean there are keywords type also is close variant actually. So there is written hosting and there is website. So it's matched with the keywords I am searching, and that's why Google found is the most relevant ads on this search platform. That's why also obviously the auction process is behind this, but that's why also the quality score is good. That's why they are showing these ads at the top of the page. What is top of the page now, right? Okay, we'll talk about it later, but right now let's just say this is top of the page. Now host.ag is showing at top of the page. Okay, so host.ag is now at the top of the page, and now Namecheap ad, which they are running right now, where it is showing, is showing in the second place. It's not top of the page. Top of the page is this, right? This is top of the page. Now I hope everything I have said about Google Ads and what is Google Ads, you have got the point what I am trying to make. From the next video, we'll going directly to the Google Ads, how to create Google Ads account. After that, we'll gradually continue our playlist, Google Ads playlist from basic to advanced. We will started learning about the process how to create a campaign from scratch, be it display campaign, PPC campaign, YouTube campaign. Every campaign I will discuss here in details, right? So for today, let's just end the video here. And sorry for my mistake if I done any mistake of my, of my pronunciations, as well as, as I pardon me, I already have said in my previous video, I am not a fluent speaker in English, but I will try my best to give you the best input I can give, and to give you the best content from where you can get benefit, right? So for today, let's say goodbye. Please like and subscribe if you like my video. Thank you.